80% of Quality Energy's business comes through strategic partnerships. It's a big part of where we are today. We partner with energy consultants, energy retailers, energy brokers. And the advantage we can add to our partner is the fact that we manufacture equipment. We're not just selling equipment. We design, manufacture and install power factor correction, active harmonic filters, static VAR generator equipment, as well as design and install commercial solar systems and EV chargers. Which is a great benefit because not only do they get full access to a manufacturer, they also get full access to the teams that are doing the design and they understand the product inside and out. Because we handle the entire process, we try and take that burden off the partner having to do the work and we do it in-house at Quality Energy. With our products, because they are highly specialised, with a lot of the clients that we partner with, it's not their core business, so they don't understand the complexities around what we're doing on site. So it's really important that they can partner with someone that they trust that can handle that entire process, and then they can stick to what their core business is, whether that be selling energy, whether that be helping clients design electrical systems, whatever it may be. The products and service that Quality Energy offer are highly specialised, so it's very important that they partner with someone that handles that whole process for them. We will handle the maintenance of the equipment and the servicing of the equipment, which means that we're forging a relationship with their client long term, which means that the client doesn't have to worry about it. It's something that they can forget about, set and forget. Dealing directly with the manufacturer, being Quality Energy, also leads to cost savings. There's no middleman when you're dealing with Quality Energy. You're dealing directly with the manufacturer, which means that our products are going to be really cost competitive compared to our competition. The other thing that's a real advantage is the fact that we carry a full suite of spare parts because we are the manufacturer. Downtime is something that's very important to clients, so we make sure if there is an issue with any of our equipment, it'll be rectified as soon as possible. And the fact that we carry a full suite of spare parts means that we can address these issues as they come up. The fact that we're a manufacturer means we're at the forefront of technology. It's always very important to know what's happening in the industry. We're always attending, whether that be electrical fairs, whether it be conferences, we're always up to date with the latest technology to make sure we're implementing it within our systems. If you're an energy retailer, if you're an energy broker, if you're an energy consultant, or you're just anyone within the electrical industry that's trying to add value to your client and think that you could benefit by partnering with Quality Energy, please feel free to reach out directly via our website or via our 1-800 number, as we would welcome the opportunity to partner with you.